Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete absolutely any contact from WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let us get down to today's topic. So, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the plus sign in the chat section at the top right corner. Next, either swipe to find a contact from WhatsApp, or you can either type his or her name into the search box. Once you find that person, click on that person. Next, at the top, click on his or her name once again. Next, edit. And now, as you can see, at the very bottom of the menu, there is a feature like Delete Contact. Just click on it. Then confirm your action. And then the contact will be instantly deleted from WhatsApp. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can quickly delete contacts from WhatsApp app. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, be sure to put your likes, and until new meetings.